Konnichiwa, welcome to the Uzumaki Garage. Today's episode is the second part to the Integra Type R OEM exhaust video. It's going to be great to get it finished. In last week's episode, I removed all the aftermarket components from the Integra's exhaust. But I couldn't complete the job as I didn't have the OEM pipe that's got the catalytic converter in it. But my friend David, he tracked down an OEM Cat for me. So today I'll be installing all OEM parts, and they're going to fit, because that's what OEM does. This is the Oem Cat Section that's just arrived. It's 20 years old, so it's not perfect, but it does look very clean inside. One stud has damaged threads, and the upper stud is missing completely. I can't get new studs for it locally, so I've ordered them from Japan. But as I don't want to wait, I'm going to remove two studs from the old exhaust's OEM flange and press them into this one. The Cat heat shield is nice and straight and is in good condition, but it does have a little bit of corrosion and rust on it. But they're no longer available new, but this one will do for the moment until I have time to take it off and get it replated. So first I'm removing the Cat's heat shield with a 10mm socket. And there's that missing bolt. It's not a stud, so I want to replace it with a bolt. Now I'm going to give this a clean up, and the heat shield, and see if I can knock out this stud. I'm using a brass drift, heavy hammer, and old socket to carefully punch out the stud. I'm using a heat gun to expand the metal, which will help me remove the studs. Studs. This stud's all mangled, so I've got to remove that. And now I have to press the new studs in. And after all of that, the cat is now ready to go on the car. But first I'm going to install the O2 sensor onto the A-pipe with a dab of copper grease.
Three, two, one.
Just about to get under the car and install the cat. I think this is all the tools I'm going to need.
Prescribed to me and you by Johnson & Johnson, prescribed by Purdue. If they had to do it all again, they'd do it just the same. 100 pills per person, big pharma getting paid. And those profits stink of death. This classroom walls were filled with kids. There are 2/3 of them left. They're gone down in Kentucky. They're gone up there in Maine. Families ripped apart, and that will never be the same. Mothers taken from their daughters, fathers taken from their sons. 100 pills per person, and we're nowhere close to done.
So that turned out really well, and it was great to finally take the Type R for a little drive. If you want to see more videos like this, click like, subscribe and notify, and I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.